Hi, today I want to give you a short review of this cool angle tool for any drill. And as you can see, this has a metal bearing and it rotates at 90 degrees. It comes with 3 different attachments. They are color coded, so you can see 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 attachments. So you can use it with variety of tools, and the best part is that this is really nice, good quality. It's not plastic, which I've seen bunch of those angle tools, but they're plastic, so there's really not a lot of longevity in those tools. This thing, you can really push it, as you can see on a video, and this works very well and it's smooth as butter. As you can see, I attach it on my drill. You can freely rotate it and it works great. Really another tool that I really needed for those places that are really hard to reach. This really saves me a lot of hassle and a lot of sweat. With this tool, you can see you can get to any space that you won't need to get, and you can remove any screws from almost impossible location. And this is a really good tool, especially that it comes with those attachments, so you really can use it for anything that you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.